So if you see the disc now, I've put in the new Biber pads and I've cleaned this completely. So if you see, yeah, it's better because now that it was rough has been smoothened out, so the disc is clean now. So just take care of this, guys, and please do leave some comments in the comment section if you have faced this and what you have done. So yep, stay tuned for more exciting vlogs and thank you for watching. Take care.
Hey, what's up guys, what's up YouTube? And yeah, so if you've seen the snippet before, you see the state of the disc in front. So what happened exactly, I'll tell you. Basically, 2000 kilometers back I had changed the pads to SDS, and they were running pretty good, but I don't know what happened. Basically, the bike has been running in rain, so I use it for my daily office commute, and yes, sometimes in a little bit of flooding. So what happened one day is, I normally use 90% of my front brake and just 10% of the rear, and I'm very particular about brakes, so I want them to be really good because they are very essential. And I found some cringing feeling on the lever. I'm like, okay, that should not be happening. So it was something like a metal to metal rubbing against each other, but then the feeling went. But then the next day again it became worse, and I thought I would just inspect it, and to my surprise I see that the pads have disintegrated. I'm like, what the fuck, the pads have actually disintegrated. There is no pad. So basically what was happening is the metal to metal was actually rubbing against the disc. Now you cannot continue this way, but I couldn't help it. I took my bike to office, and if you know, I was using Brembo pads earlier. So those pads still had some 500 kilometers or 1000 kilometers left, but since it was rains, so I thought that I would kind of change them, because I don't want to keep things cut to cut. Yeah, so basically what happened is, I luckily had those pads in my office bag, so I quickly swapped the pads at a local mechanic, and now they are pretty fine. But what has happened, the disc has got damaged. So basically what has happened, the metal to metal has actually scraped the disc, and if you see the video earlier very carefully, the compound of the pads have actually got stuck into the hole. So what has happened is, there has been some kind of chemical reaction that has taken place, and the pads have actually disintegrated. Now thing to take care of is that okay, you cannot squeeze yourself with that. The thing to take care of that is, in flooded water there is a lot of chemicals, acidic components, so a lot of shit in that water. So it kind of reacts to the pads and yes, causes a disintegration. So exactly that was what had happened. So this had happened with the KBX pads earlier, but then it was not so fast. Those KBX pads had done something around 3,500 to 4,000 kilometers, and I'm very jumpy on the front brake, so I'm very aggressive on the front brake. But 2,000 kilometers is, I'm not that bad. So there's something wrong with the compound, and maybe it is not suited for rains. I know my Brembos have lasted around what, 7,000 kilometers. So to all you my subscribers and all you FZNs out there, or whatever bike, just keep a tab on your brake pads in rains, because see, in dry weather it is completely fine, but in rains there's a element of, you know, flooding, waterlogging, your bike going under non-stop, you know, water, and and lot of muck and grime getting stuck in the pads, which causes discoloration. Now this is the next level stuff that happened to me, but keep your disc clean. So what I would suggest is off and on, you use Vim bar. So just take a Scotch Brite, and just keep cleaning the disc. You will be amazed as to how much of dirt and grime will come out of the disc. So you can use a brake cleaner and all that, but the jugaad is use Vim bar and scrub the disc using Scotch Brite. Not that silver Scotch Brite, the green Scotch Brite that you have. So you can just clean the disc and it should be good to go. So right now I'm just going to Kumar Auto, where I usually do my FZ25, and he's going to change the pads. Right now he's not able to get some performance pads which he wanted to put, but he's putting Biber, which comes stock with the bike. So I'm pretty okay with that, as long as the pads are good. Biber is good, but nothing comes close to what I'm using right now. And yes, what I would suggest now is just keep one brake pad spare at home, like just one brake pad. So basically what happened in this case is I had my old Brembos, so I actually put that, so that actually I could manage to ride to work for another 3 days without damaging my disc further. So you can definitely do that. If you have any comments, comments for me, please do put down in the comments section below. And yes, I'm extremely sorry for not making videos. There's some really exciting stuff coming. So basically I bought myself a new superbike. It's a Ninja 1000 2020, but fuck, I'm not able to make any fucking videos because of my work schedule. It's really getting crazy, and I'm really sorry for that. I hope you'll understand in this COVID situation. But yes, it will soon come. So I have already uploaded a cinematic footage, and to your surprise, I've almost completed the run-in of the 1000. So that's crazy. So waiting for that, and the first service of the Access also is pending. Oh my god, it's crazy. So we'll get that done, and yes, stay safe guys. And as Mumbai and the entire India unlocks, okay, let him go. As Mumbai and the entire nation unlocks, ride responsibly, ride well, wear your gear, wear a helmet at least, and stay safe, and do keep liking my videos, and thank you for watching. Bye.
So if you see the disc now, I've put in the new Biber pads, and I've cleaned this completely. So if you see, yeah, it's better, because now that it was rough has been smoothened out. So the disc is clean now. So just take care of this guys, and please do leave some comments in the comment section if you have faced this and what you have done. So yep, stay tuned for more exciting vlogs, and thank you for watching.